Hello everyone. I need a trim, so we'd started and then I thought, oh, I'll record it for everyone else. So I'm going to shave. My dear hubby is going to shave this side and then he's going to shave that side too. Here we go. Ah! Do you want to be in the camera or not? I mean in the film?
No.
Oh well, then I'll do it
I'm
that
not
way.
appropriately dressed.
You're not appropriate. Neither am I. Not the tail. Not the tail. Don't do the tail. You tell me when I need to do my ear. Is that better?
Yep, that's better.
Oh no, my ear's falling off. No.
Now, you went higher last time. Do you want me to go higher again?
I don't know. Does it look good with the high, or do you want it? What do you think?
Oh, I don't like the curve.
Go. Let's go the curve.
Let me trim that up.
Well, let's go the curve. Do you need a brush? I don't know. You can brush it. Let's do the curve, and then if you think we need. What have you done? Yeah, no, I like the curve too. I agree. Give me a nice straight part, sir. Give me a hold the brush. Oh no! Cut my ear off. So we're in week, what, 7 of lockdown?
Yeah.
7 of lockdown. Is this done now?
Ready for the other side?
I can't.
Okay.
I'm recording.
Alright.
You gotta brush it. Oh, do you want me to brush it?
Brush it.
Brush it. Stylish, baby. I can't really see what I'm doing. But you gotta keep my tail, so you gotta make sure the tail's even.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. That's enough. You can stop now.
Corona. Do you want me to brush it forward?
That's it.
Look, I can brush it forward. Oh, like a little
That's it.
mullet.
Whoa, whoa.
Opposite mullet.
Reverse mallet.
Reverse mullet. It's a comb forward.
Comb forward.
That was just like so.
Please, look straight. Oops.
What do you mean, whoops? What do you mean, whoops? Oi, what do you mean, whoops? Are you teasing me, or are you actually?
Yes, I'm teasing you.
Okay, make sure you get the tail correct. Hang on, hang on, hang on. So much hair. I shaved everything off.
Keep that for a mustache.
Oh, okay. I shaved. That's really long.
Yeah, it is.
I shaved this for
Please look straight ahead.
Okay, look straight ahead. Do you want me to put my head down?
No.
I'm just grabbing on my hair. Oh, look at the roots. Roots, baby. See the roots there? The camera will focus, which it won't do. I shaved my hair on the 1st of January, and this side has not been touched. Nothing but the shaved side, which was here, had been touched. So now we're doing the other side. Do you need brushing again?
Yeah, let me brush it.
I'll brush it. You brush it, because you're in control of it.
I think I need to have a look in the camera
In the camera?
and see if you think this side here needs to come up just a little bit.
Yep. Because, oh, hang on. Yeah, just a little bit. And this needs to come down a little bit. So only a tiny bit, though, sort of like there, more so than any other way. Oh, excuse me. That was so offensive. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, that was rough. Bye, hair. Yep. No clipper guards for me. Just shave the whole goddamn thing off.
That needs to come forward a bit.
Oh, not.
Is that very easy?
I do not have hairy ears.
On the outside of them.
On the outside. Ah, you're so rude. So you think this would be nice as a moustache?
You could use
Hey,
it
look at
for
that.
a moustache.
Woohoo.
Oh. Baguette.
Yeah, baguette.
Do you want this to come to a point? At the back?
Yeah, let's point the back.
Yeah, I think I've got to take a little bit more of this.
Why? You shouldn't have to take more off that side. That's the old side.
Yeah.
Oh, did you cock it up?
No, it's just over energetic on the other side.
You cocked it up, you mean? Oh, blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna have to have a shower. It's all shady.
There you go.
Nice.
We'll get some water and we'll shave it.
Okay. I might not record that bit. You'll see some shots later, but there we go. I'm back to my mohawk. Then I usually oil the scalp because the scalp gets dry, because I have a tendency to having dry scalp. So I usually use Lush, the Rose Argan body conditioner. I actually put that on my scalp and it's just so nice. So yeah, so there we go. So that is what shaved on the 1st of January, and it is now the 8th of May. So that's what, 5 months? January, February, March, April, May, 5 months. This is 5 months of growth. I'm really chuffed with that, but I'm also chuffed that I've got this back and I've got my tails back. So there we go. I loved having shaved hair, and I loved it those first probably month to 2 months where it was short, but it was still there. But then I didn't like it, just looking boring and brown. So I went back to blonde after going black for a bit. So it's why there's some yellow. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a short video. And yeah, I'll see you all again soon. Bye.